Hello everybody, it's Harry here, just with a quick video showing you how to use the chart of account mapping feature within Joiin, which is useful for aligning your chart of accounts across multiple entities to kind of cover up any spelling mistakes, naming accuracies, or if you've recently acquired a new company and you're aligning its chart of accounts with your existing group. So to begin this process, we'll go on over to the settings cog and chart of accounts. And there's two ways in which you can use the chart of account mapping feature. First off, we've got our AI-powered chart of account suggestions, which you can click on, and this will give you suggestions for any similar naming conventions, similar account types that Joiin will suggest maybe you could align. So we've got a different couple of accounts here with different account types with the same name, a couple of similar examples here, and then we've got the kind of more interesting example where you've got accounts with similar names. So you can see here we've got the and symbol and the word and. Joiin's picked up that these two accounts are probably similar. It will suggest that you could remap these ones and you can accept the suggestion and you can apply these. And now these accounts will consolidate automatically when you're on your reports. There's also then the option to align accounts manually. So if you wanted to go and find two accounts that you wanted to consolidate, so we've got bank charges and bank interest, we could tick these ones and we could choose to consolidate these accounts, and we could choose what account name and account type to house them under. So we could choose here bank charges and we could merge these two, and they would then consolidate when you run your reports. So that's just a quick guide on that feature. If you've got any further questions or suggestions, please feel free to create a support ticket by emailing us at support@joiin.co. Thank you.